Welcome back. It's now assembly time. So I have my 8 half circles that are all cut in half, and I have my single one that is not. Now, we are going to take and we are going to open these up slightly. And we are going to take our center circle, we're going to slide it in. So you're going to slide it in. And you're going to want to place these first 4 so that they are equal distances apart. So you want to make them so that they are opposite each other. And then I will put my next 2 in. Open them up a little bit, slide it on in. And I'll put my last one right here. There we go. Okay, now we still have 4 more. And our last 4 are going to go in between these 4. So just slide it in, spread it out, slide the next one on, spread it out, and our last one. Now, should be stiff enough that you shouldn't have to do any gluing, but there you have it. You have a 3D sculpture. You could take and you could punch a hole in it, and it could become a Christmas ornament if you wanted. If you wanted to spray it with spray paint, you could make it out of paper, coat it with paper, coat it with paint. Watercolor paint wouldn't work, but you could do acrylic paint. Your choice, but you now have a 3D sculpture. Take a picture of it with however you end up designing it and finishing it and stick it in your assignment. And I will see you guys next time. Have a good one.